Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Obina. In this tutorial of this short video, we're going to learn how to select cases. Yes, in SPSS. Selecting cases in SPSS. Why do we select cases in SPSS? The most common reasons why we select cases in SPSS is when a particular case has missing data or outliers. Then you might decide to select the particular row of the variable instead of deleting the entire variable. We just select particular cases, which is the proper way of doing analysis. Alright, so as you can see, we already have our data here, and we have missing cases in the variable income, and these missing cases, we can find them in row 4, we can find them in row 9, and we can find them in row 13. And then there's one that appears to be an outlier here, row 11, where we have 49,000. That's huge, very huge among all this one. So we can assume that to be an outlier. So now we want to select these cases instead of deleting them. So we select them, and when we select them, it tells SPSS that these particular cases should not be involved in our analysis. So how do we select cases? When you have a data like this, you click on data, then you click on select cases. You can find them. This is it. Select cases. So now we have this dialog box. The next, we click on if condition is satisfied. Click on that, then it highlights this button, if. Click on it, then we'll have this dialog box. Alright, so now what do we do here? We type in the dollar sign, then we'll type in case num, CASENUM, then we click on this right here, click on it, then equal to the case or the row number that we want to select. So in this case, we want to select row number 4, 9, 13, 9, 11, and 13. So we start with row number 4 equal to 4. So that's for row number 4. Then we click on the and sign. Click on the and sign, then we type this again. Let's just copy this, then paste. And we'll paste it here. Paste. Alright. So we delete this and input press number 9. Alright. So we click on the and sign again because we are not done. The other cases we are supposed to select, and this time around we paste this again, delete the number 4, and we press number 11. Okay, and we click the and again, we paste this again, then this time around we put the number 13. We can go on and on and on and on. If we have like 10 cases we want to select, we continue like that, like that. So this is just what you have to input. You input, you type the $sign, case num, then you input the number of the row you want to select. Like you can see here, this is row 4, we have this is row 4, this is where you get them, row 11, row 13. All right, so when we are done with that, we click continue, then we click OK. All right, so now this is the result. As you can see, it has cancelled, selected case number 4, 9, 11, and 13. You can also call this row, row number 4, row number 9, row number 11, and row number 13. And it has created a variable here that says selected. That is for those that have not been selected. Then not selected, not selected. So that's how to select cases in SPSS. For more of these explanatory videos, subscribe. Click the subscribe button, share, comment, and like. Thank you.